Alright, morning. Welcome back, guys. So this is week 6 now of our home workout videos. So we're gonna do same as always, just gonna get straight into it with the same layout. But just as a side note, just to let you guys know, so this is gonna be our last week of this kind of style of workout that we've been doing. So going further into the other weeks, we're just gonna bring some more specific type of training. So maybe a bit more core based, a bit more cardio based, other variations, but also depending on what you guys want as well. So just let us know. But from there, we'll just go straight into the warm-up. Okay, cool guys, so if you're all warmed up now, so what we're going to do is just go straight into the main workout, yeah? What you'll need today is a few things. So as you can see, you've got the mat out, got a few cones and then one bag over there, but you don't need exactly those kind of things, so you'll know what I mean as we go along with the exercises. So the first one, so you'll be on the 3 cones. So obviously if you don't have cones at home, you could just use any other kind of props just to do the same idea. So maybe if you have like water bottles or anything like that that you can put like anything like that, just 3, and then that's all you need. So what I'm going to do is just show you the first one. So you're going to be doing quick feet through the cones. You're going to go 1, 2, 3. Once you get to the end, do a 180 spin down into a burpee, back around, same thing again. When you get to the other side, doing that way, go into a burpee, back down, and then repeat. So you're just going back and forth with a spin burpee at each end, yeah? That's number 1. Number 2 for upper body. So it's going to be sort of a Hindu push-up, so it's a bit of an advanced level of a normal push-up. So you're going to be starting with your pelvis a bit higher than you usually would, and then you want to kind of follow the path of your arm. So you're going to come down, come up, and then back down. And then once you've done that, you're just going to spin out to the sides, keep yourself balanced, back into a Hindu push-up. Same thing the other side, Hindu push-up, same thing the other side. So you just keep alternating sides just like that. That's number 2. So number 3, again on the mat, so you're going to be facing this way. So again, this one's a bit hard, so if you can't do it, use your hands, but ideally what you want to be doing, as with as much momentum as you can, bring your hands back, come up into a jump, and then into a lunge like that. But if you can't do that without using your hands, then just put them on the side like that, so it gives you a bit more stability. So same thing, let go, come into a jump, and then finish with a lunge. And then same thing, go back down, swap legs, lunge the other side. And then final one, so if you have, again, a water bottle or anything like that you can use, just place it in the center, have your hands by the sides, and all you're going to be doing is flicking your legs from either sides, and that's going to be working your lower abs and your obliques. So just be like this, come back in, like this, and then just keep alternating sides and try to avoid hitting the bottle or whatever it is you use. And then that's 4, and then that's the full set. So when you're ready, we'll get straight in, yeah? Okay, so we're gonna go in 10 seconds. You ready? Alright guys, so yeah, that's the workout complete now. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. So same as usual, from what we're gonna do from there is just do some cool down exercises and stretches, yeah? So right off the bat, so as usual, start from legs and then work our way up. So first one, make a change. What we can do is do a lying down hamstring stretch. So from here, same as what you've been doing standing, but just bring your legs round and then pull it towards you as comfortably as possible and just hold that for turn. Yep, and then the other side. Yep, and from there, same thing, stretching the glutes. So just going to be lying down this time. So put it in towards your chest, one leg at a time. And the other side. Yep, and from there, so what you can do is just stretch out your obliques and your hip. Just turn your legs down to one side. Keep your legs 90 degrees and try and keep your shoulders on the floor. And then rotate around the other side. Yep, and then once you've done that, so you can do a kneeling quad stretch. So from here, keep yourself 90 degrees on both areas. And what you want to do from there is just pull this leg back and then just hold that. Yep, and then swap sides. Okay, and then last one we can do for lower body. So this one is just to stretch out our lower back and hips. So starting on your hands and knees, and then just lower yourself back. Okay, so from there, what we can do is start stretching out the upper back now. So same as before, find somewhere high up, make sure you hold on, and then just lean back into it. Okay, and then from there, do one side at a time, just lean over. And the other side. And then from there, just let the lower back relax. Just swivel left and right. And then upright. Same thing with your hips. And the other way. Okay, so just a few more. So from there, what we can do is stretch out the chest now. So chest and shoulders actually at the same time. So one hand here, step forward, and then just look away. Same thing, the other side. Okay, and then last few, just stretch out the tricep. So if you want a deeper stretch, so again, lean up against the wall. The other side. Okay, last few. So just gonna stretch out the, or roll out the ankle, sorry. The other foot. Yep, and then from there, just shake it out. So yeah, that wraps it up for the 6 weeks of this kind of training that we've been doing, guys. So just like I said at the start of the video, so we're still going to be doing some more, but we're just going to change up a little. So again, just more specific type of training, hitting more specified areas. But before we even do that, if you guys have any recommendations, just let us know. But yeah, other than that, we'll see you next week.